finally here. Oh my lord. I am so excited for this. I have been looking at the deck system since I bought the truck. I hear so many good things, high reviews. Everybody that's ever bought it loves it. It's great quality. And it's so much fun to use. There it is, in all its glory, straight out the box. Let's get these parts all laid out in the garage and see what we're looking at. What is up, guys? Midnight Sun 518 here. I know you haven't seen my face yet, probably. I don't think I have my face. I haven't had my face. None of my gaming ones have a camera because I don't have a camera. Other than the GoPro, I guess I could use it. I don't know, nobody cares. Today, I'm going to be installing, which obviously, as you can see, it's kind of already done, but the deck system in the bed of my 2017 Tacoma TRD Pro. I gotta say, absolutely, hands down, 100% worth every single penny. It is expensive, you know, but they are specific to each truck bed. I didn't go super duper in depth on the building. I was kind of rushing to get it done. The sun was going down and it got dark, as you'll see. So I kind of cut out a lot of the little individual things. However, DECKED does have an awesome video for installing this themselves. But yeah, it's great. Let's get in it. I heard that DECKED has a real sense of humor, and reading through the instruction manual is hilarious, but it's true. So because this will be in the bed of my truck and I will not have a tonneau cover, DECKED recommends drilling 1/2-inch holes in the bottom of the ammo cans in order to help with drainage, because it'll get water in them. Sadly, I don't have a 1/2-inch drill bit, so I'm gonna go with the 3/8. I cannot believe that I just drilled a hole in either side of my truck. I hate everything. So I had to drill 3 more holes on either side of the bed in the wheel well in order to mount these support brackets. And then it says to use a friend, but well, I don't have any friends. Just kidding, I do have friends, they're just not here. This would be easier with a friend, but nobody's home. No, it's just me. DECKED is very specific about not over torquing the bolts. Luckily, I'm not very strong, so I don't think I have to worry about that. I had to get creative. My friends aren't coming home soon enough. I gotta be all the way down here in order to tighten this bolt right here. So I do want to be able to use my plug that I had on the side there. So I marked out a little X pattern right here that is approximately the width and length of this plug, right? Because this plate will sit on the inside, and then these little extension points will be coming through. So I'm going to drill a couple of holes on the end here, and then cut out this center section with a handsaw, sadly, because I don't have a hacksaw. So that'll be fun. Kind of hard to see, but I have X'd off all of the holes that I'm going to cut, and those holes relatively match up. I have that center section right there, the top portion right there, and then these 2 little divots that stick through on either side. So I'm going to get cutting. Aha! There it is. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna go screw it in. We install each of the
center bolts after we put the main panel on, and then we got these 4 up top here, and then the, what is that, 8 around the ammo cans themselves. When you're assembling the drawers, you got the long bolts that go up here, and then you got 2 short ones that go down here. Ah, sorry it's so dark. Also, my headphones just died, so that's awesome. But I got the deck system installed for the most part. I just got a few final steps left. So we're hooking these J hooks right here into the tie-down straps right there through. You can't see through those holes right there in the edge, so that it's a little bit more sturdy. So yeah, and then we're going to install the plate, and once that's done, that's it. Just tightening down the last couple bolts. There it is, all completely installed. I got those J hooks in there, the plate on, the bottle opener, the support brace down on the bottom, and yeah.
So here we are in the daylight. As you can see, it is gorgeous. I like it a lot. It's very convenient, you know, when you have a truck. There's not a lot of storage opportunities for you outside of the back seat. So if you want to be able to bring people in the back seat, you know, can't really put much back there. So the ability to have these drawers to put all of my off-roading gear and just really anything else, you know, heck, you go to the grocery store and you don't feel like throwing anything into the seat, you know, you got drawers for it. You got an excuse to use it. The install itself took me about 3 hours. I think the average is 4. At least according to the DECKED company. It should take about 4 hours to put in. I did do it all by myself. It was really difficult at times, you know, getting in these couple of bolts inside there, and 3 per side and the tire well in the front. Yeah, so let's take a look at it, shall we?
As you can see, I've already started kind of getting a little bit of customization on here, with a few stickers and whatnot, and I'll be adding more. But just kind of going through, the drawers themselves are so incredibly smooth. The left drawer is bigger, right? Gives you more options for space and all that sort of stuff. And then you got all sorts of little dividers. Once I get another toolbox, it's empty. I just kind of threw it in there just so that I didn't have to have it sitting in the garage, because I don't know what I want to put in there just yet. But man, these things are awesome. And I'll show you in the light of day. I'm gonna take these off. Don't mind my ratchet straps there. I bolted in all of the screw holes there, so I can put my little plug and I still have access to it, which is awesome. So I was really afraid that I was going to have to get rid of that. The deck doesn't really have an option to buy your right ammo can with a pre-drilled hole. So you just kind of figure it out yourself. This is just a fun little addition here, you know. I don't really know how much I'm going to use this ruler or any of these conversion things, you know. We do have Google, but it looks cool and it adds a little splash of color to kind of break up that black plasticky background. And then we also have a bottle opener, so we're hanging out and tailgating with the boys. Yeah, pretty sweet. I like it a lot. So yeah, like this. Once again, very happy with it. And I cannot wait to test this thing to its limits. It looks great, it feels great, it sits so nicely in the bed of the truck. It's so incredibly light. I cannot move this thing anywhere. I guess I'll catch you guys in the next upgrade.